Welcome to Richly. You don't want to miss this video revealing the possible date when Cardano will explode, as Bitboy Crypto disclosed. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. If you want to win 200 free ADA, see the comment section below and join our giveaway. In this video, we will share some great words Bitboy Crypto, a crypto enthusiast, has said about the Cardano ADA project. Therefore, if you are thinking about investing in ADA, or if you are already an ADA investor, you should keep watching this video until the end. In 2014, Charles Hoskinson, a member of the Ethereum team, left the team to launch their own smart contract blockchain platform, Cardano, along with former Ethereum teammate Jeremy Wood. And the methodical approach that Cardano has taken to development and features has greatly helped the product's development. Further, every aspect of their roadmap is painstakingly crafted to ensure there are no blind spots, so they can keep bugs to a minimum. As a matter of fact, even on their website, Cardano describes themselves as peer-reviewed and evidence-based. So with the laser focus of Cardano means that the company will be a lean, powerful machine ready to take the top spot over its competitors. One of the popular crypto enthusiasts in the world of cryptocurrency, Bitboy Crypto, went on to share that he is bullish on Cardano, even saying that to say he is bullish is an understatement, and here are his reasons. There is more than all the nerdy talk about peer reviews. Founder Charles Hoskinson has championed decentralization frequently, citing every example possible. Cardano states on its website that it exists to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to individuals, thereby letting individuals gain control of their own financial future. In fact, Bitboy Crypto says he loves that. Moreover, Cardano's pursuit transcends sharing core beliefs with the world's only back-to-back World War II victor. Beyond this, Cardano is looking to help nations of the Third World climb out of poverty and make their lives better. It is because, for instance, some of the problems that countries like Colombia or Botswana face are due to the absence of adequate infrastructure to protect people's property, and it is impossible to prove ownership of a farm or equipment if the government or insurance company can only show a paper trail going back to when the last military coup destroyed all the documents in the town 5 years ago, right? And if perhaps these servers were either wiped by Russian hackers or they were paid to do so. And it would be so nice if there were a technology that essentially couldn't be hacked, which allowed transactions to be tracked. What do you have in mind? Perhaps you can share it with us by leaving some comments down there. Getting back to my previous statement, that's right. That's what blockchain is all about. The people behind Cardano have big plans, they have brilliant founders, and there is a scientific approach to the development of their blockchain assets. It was because of this potential that Bitboy Crypto saw what Cardano could accomplish and how the price of ADA could rise. He even added that it is not actually a killer of Ethereum and is just not an ecosystem for transactions, but it is also an ecosystem for governance and business. And a recent interview with Crypto Globe mentioned Charles Hoskinson to say as much. And the key point he made was saying Ethereum is dying, and they are replacing Ethereum with Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 will kill Ethereum 1.0, so it is important to say. Therefore, he thinks that Ethereum will be killed by it. And they try to do holistic things, and they acknowledge that it is not just about processing smart contracts. Furthermore, Cardano was actually bought by Bitboy Crypto back in January when its price was 15 per ADA, and he admitted seeing its potential and investing. And his experience so far of buying it has been extremely positive. And it's important to remember that in Cardano, that is only the tip of the iceberg, since ADA is the crypto component of Cardano, a global payments platform. Then, as of recently, ADA was trading around $2.37. Additionally, due to the impressive performance of Cardano's roadmap, investors have already begun to see the benefits of the system. It is at this point where Bitboy Crypto gets to his price prediction for ADA as well as to when Cardano will explode, especially because Alonzo is getting an update, and with that, Cardano will get smart contract functionality, in which the Alonzo update and the testnet has just been launched. Additionally, it isn't launching without support. Then, ADA smart contracts are already ready to be used by two great projects and were available on day one of the Alonzo hard fork. Furthermore, Bitboy Crypto believes Cardano in this cycle will trade for a 4 times from its current price of $2.37, which would mean that pricing will move to more than $8. And there's one thing setting ADA up for such a big pump, and that's its incredible resilience in the face of price fluctuations, which has differentiated it among its rivals during this bull run. Also, the price of Cardano surpassed $3 and reached an all-time high of 3.101 September 2nd, 2021. Since then, it has slipped during this correction, but it still has very promising prospects. Therefore, in his most optimistic scenario, he predicted that ADA can reach $8 to $9 by the end of the year. You would have made an almost 900% profit on ADA even if you bought it even at its previous all-time high in 2018. So it looks like this cycle provides quite a bit of upside for us to look forward to. But is it sustainable? What will happen to ADA after its peak? Bitboy Crypto even doesn't believe and thinks it would crash. Now let's look at Ocam.fi and CardStarter, the other two projects currently in development along with Cardano's new smart contracts. A custom-built DeFi project for Cardano, OCC.fi, is built on top of the OCC token. Specifically, it aims to be the Uniswap of Cardano, but also to assist Cardano-based projects in getting started and funded. While DeFi is a launchpad, not only will it launch other projects, but it will do so with low fees and with limited KYC permission, which will prevent DeFi from becoming non-DeFi. As a member of the Cardano development community, Ocam estimates there are over 3,000 projects awaiting listing on a Cardano platform for smart contracts, and that's a huge deal. Despite only having been trading since April, the OCC token has held a price above $10 for the majority of that time. While it's too early to draw any conclusions on the price of that one, its quick recovery following the recent market turmoil suggests that it will continue to gain health over time. Besides OCC, CardStarter is another channel favorite that is ready for the new functionality. And as the first exchange that insures community project backers against financial losses in case a project fails or falls apart, Cards stands out from other DeFi exchanges. CardStarter also vets the projects they feature through a separate quality assurance program that enforces strict rules. Then, a rigorous and geeky development system such as Cardano gains a lot of confidence and clout with these new features. Cardano was always a promising coin, and it had its own version of proof-of-stake technology, which enabled it to validate transactions without using the expensive proof-of-work systems used by Bitcoin or Ethereum. And 1 million transactions could be completed per second on the network thanks to the coin's blazing speed. Additionally, the coin is relatively young, which is a benefit. Hoskinson began his work in 2015 after Bitcoin and Ethereum scaling problems became apparent. And due to these problems, the founding team opted for a POS system referred to as the Ouroboros protocol, which required only trusted players to validate transactions instead of solving pointlessly complex cryptographic problems. Ethereum has not yet switched from Ouroboros to POS, and the Ethereum project has not yet ensured that it will work. As of yet, the ADA system has proven to be far more resistant to attacks than most initially feared. What makes Cardano such a good investment right now? Though there's a lot of excitement because of momentum, and a $5 billion ADA cap was reserved for the 3 Cardano development teams when the network was initially launched. Similarly, the amount of money represented a modest $150 million equivalent, enough to create impact but not enough to alter the world. And this modest sum has been turned into a fortune when ADA's wild ride took off. Now, on what date will Bitboy Crypto reveal Cardano will explode? In his opinion, with the Alonso update already in place, Cardano will likely explode over time. Regardless of the fact that the cryptocurrency market is volatile, as we know, we can see that Cardano is indeed making its way to higher and higher prices over time. And yes, Bitboy is quite right that ADA will explode soon, especially since Alonso updates were already implemented. Let's go to the moon, guys. Don't forget to join the giveaway. Look in the comment section what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.